To show you how to get a baby onto your back using the hip scoop method, and this is with a buckle carrier that's already fastened up at the back. Now I'm going to explain how to do it. So first you have your buckle carrier fastened up round the back, then you get your baby, hold them on your hip, nice and secure, and you bounce them round, holding onto them, and swap your arm over to come around and hold them on the bottom, bring your other arm round and hold on to their arm. So you can bounce, get them onto your back. Keep hold of them with one arm. Bring up the strap of the carrier. Swap arms and get the other strap on. Give them a little bounce, make sure they're secure. Tighten your straps and you're all done.